So, as promised, we are back with a little tour around our new Corvette Stingray C8. We told you we'll do a little walk around of this. This was built last August, ready for Gravity, was released at Gravity Show. Now it's sitting in here with the horrible weather outside, but we hope to get that around to lots of events in the new year. It was a really tough decision on what car to build. We sold our McLaren 650S LB Works and we had to replace it. A lot of conversation in the office. Is the Corvette Stingray a supercar? Is it worthy to replace a 750 brake horsepower McLaren? We never really decided, is it not? But after doing a few thousand miles in this, we are very impressed. The way it handles, how it sounds and how it looks with this kit, we're really over the moon with it, to be fair. We are thinking about doing some more bits to this in terms of performance and engine. Twin turbo kit does sound quite interesting on this. I think the first in Europe, but we're speaking with Turbo Smart and Overkill at the moment to see whether that's a possibility. But let's take you around the car. The first thing is the key and the button, a little double tap. Auto start, auto rise. What a gadget that is. I must say, I love that. So the kit on the C8 Stingray is actually replacement panels. It is a complete front bumper, rear bumper, all four full arches. So actually, there's no cutting involved. It is a complete replacement. Obviously, you can see it makes it considerably wider and a lot more aggressive from the front and the rear. It could be put back to standard if we ever wanted to. We won't, but it is a possibility. Then onto the wheels, we went for the Rohana wheels. I wanted silver wheels. Silver wheels are in. Makes the car look clean. Behind the Rohana wheels, you'll see we've got the EBC two-piece discs, MMR wheel bolts, and wrapped in the Yokohama, the AO52 road legal track tyres. Fantastic in all temperatures. Coming round to the back, we were very lucky to get the first prototype system from Remus. This is an OPF system back, retains the original valves, and has a brilliant sound. We've gone for the black chrome tailpipes, but because of the chrome wheels, we might switch that up for a silver chrome tailpipe in the future. But it sounds fantastic. Have a listen. So regarding suspension, we've gone for the full Praxis setup. Praxis struts and the P4W management. It's the first time we've used their management, but with a handy little remote. We have a system in the car and then a little remote at a push of a button remotely. This car sits hard. You may have heard that. That is the rear subframe touching the floor. It airs out completely on the ground. But with another push of the button to ride height, and then another push of the button to an extra lift, it gets anywhere. All at the control of this little thing. So, as you can see, we've left this pretty plain. It's what we wanted. After the matte black, satin black McLaren, we wanted something clean, something that could be detailed and really shine. So we've left it pretty plain. But should we do a full livery on this? And also, do you think we should go for the twin turbo conversion? So, like, comment and subscribe and let us know your thoughts below.